I know this song. It works actually.
So, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad we're here too. Always good to be here. We'll do it as long as we can. And these guys, I know. Boy, I have to have Charlie come all the time. Now, this is his first time here.
Really?
At Easter. And Kirk and he have never met before. And they're playing like they've known each other their whole lives. Isn't that amazing?
That's what music is. You know, that's what music does.
And Mom just told me Uncle Rob played the trumpet in the Marines. Well, I used to play the piano. Those days are long gone.
I did too. I have to go sit with Cole.
Morgan White, are you 3 sheets?